Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to install the new NanoMax CV filters onto your Camvac. Now the process is going to be the same whether you have a 2-motor or a 3-motor. These will mount on each individual motor. So if you have a 2-motor version like this, you'll need 2 filters. If you have a 3-motor, you'll need 3 filters. So I'll open this up and show you what we got here. So as you know, the Camvac is going to come with one large cloth bag that goes around the drum. Once we have the NanoMax CVs, we're not going to need that, so let's get rid of that for now. I'm just going to flip this upside down here. So there's the paper. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. And then we have the interior cloth here that we'll get rid of. And then we're also going to get rid of these filter cages. So they should just slide off the base of your motor here. They take a little bit of wiggling, but they'll come off just like so. Okay, so the NanoMax filter, make sure this is relatively clean, is going to have a seal on the bottom. That seal is going to sit right there like that, and I'll show you now how to tighten that up. Each filter is going to come with 2 turnbuckles, 2 angle brackets, and each filter will come with 1 hose clamp here. So we're going to start by getting these little angle brackets attached. Now we're going to attach these with these hose clamps on here. But one little trick you can do to make it a lot easier is just to get a small piece of tape, and we're just going to tape them on there just while we're tightening them up so they don't fall off here. So we're going to set this little angle bracket on the side of the motor, right basically in line with that seam. Doesn't matter too much. And you're going to want this in a position that it's easy to get at, so there's nothing in the way. So you're not going to want to put it right in here where it's not a lot of space to work with. You're going to put it on the motor right here and just let that tape kind of hold it in place for now. Grab another one, another piece of tape, and do the same thing on the exact opposite side of the motor. Okay, once you got it here, you're going to get your hose clamp, lay that on top, and just tighten this in place. So this hose clamp is going to hold these 2 angle brackets in place. This screwdriver doesn't actually fit. One second. Okay, so just tighten up that clamp, and once that clamp is good and tight, these little angle brackets will be good and tight on there. So next thing you'll do, get your NanoMax filter, set it on top of your motor. You're going to grab 2 turnbuckles, and you see how that turnbuckle is all the way in right now. First thing you got to do is loosen these all the way out. Okay, so we got the turnbuckles all the way out, so hook it up here, hook it up on the bottom angle bracket. And then we're just going to find a spot that's comfortable to get in to the NanoMax, right about there. And we'll just tighten her up. No way.
Ethan, I have a question while you're
Sure.
doing this. How long did it take you to figure out those angle brackets to use tape?
Oh, the first time it took me about half an hour to get the stupid filter on. I shouldn't say stupid filter, but it took me like half an hour to get the filter on.
Yeah.
And then there had to be a better way, so I thought of the tape the second time. So
I knew that must have taken a bit to figure out.
yeah, it was so much easier. So before I tighten that turnbuckle all the way, I'm just going to get this one set in place here. It doesn't want to. Okay, so before you tighten it really good, Make sure you have that filter on relatively straight, and then just snug these up. You don't need these super duper tight, but just tight enough so that they're compressing that gasket on the bottom and making a good seal. Voila! So I'll go ahead and put the second filter on there, and I'll show you what the finished product looks like here. Okay, so we got both filters installed here. So once you have them on there, make sure these turnbuckles are nice and tight. You just want that gasket to be compressed so everything is sealed up. But now that you got them on there, you can just flip this over. You don't have to put the cloth bag around the drum, and this will sit right on there like so. And you are ready to use it. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockhamsupply.com or just comment in the video. Thanks for watching.